In past videos, I talked more in depth about the different architecture pattern, and I saw the differences between the MVC pattern to multi-layer pattern. In the next section, I'm going to change from the MVC pattern to multi-layer or N-layer pattern. But first, I want to tell you what are the best practices that I'm going to follow to improve that changes. First, I want to talk about the solid principles, and this principle stands for S. The S is for single responsibility. These principles say that every class should do one thing at the same time. If you have a class doing different things at the same time, it broken this principle. And the next one is the O. This means open extension and close for implementation. This means that when you need to do a change or improve a new functionality and you need to change the class, it is broken this principle. The right way is to extend the class and do your new functionality. The next one is the L, list of substitution. This principle says that every children can be substituted for the parent. This means if you have an interface and you create a new object, a children object, when you replace this children object with the parent object or the interface in most of the cases, this should not break any functionality. Okay, this is the list of substitution principle. The next one is for I. The I is for interface segregation, and this means that every or when you need to implement a new functionality, a new method in one interface, but broken or the children cannot implement this new method, you should create or divide the interface and in the other interface declare the method with the new functionality. This don't broke the children's implementation, and you can segregate your interfaces. The last one is for D. D is for dependence inversion, and this means that every component should be related to the abstraction, not for concretion. This means, or you can see this principle more in practices when you declare in SpringBoot application, declare an interface like a private finally and in the name of the interface or class, and when you call the constructor to inject this new class, that is the dependence inversion in practice. You have to inject the dependency every time you create a new object. And the next one, the best practice that I'm going to implement is the DTO pattern. The data transfer object is useful when you have a large application and you need to do different things for the attributes for the objects. And this is a good practice to implement this DTO pattern to improve these changes without modifying the model of our application. I'm going to show you how to improve the error handling using the AOP. And next, I'm going to show you how you can expose the interface in the services layer. Next, I'm going to show how to do validation in our data. And finally, I'm going to do some testing, or the testing for the backend application. With that in mind, let's continue with our hands-on to create this application.